Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send from Skrill to bank account. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Skrill and log into your account. So log into your Skrill account. Once you have done that, then once you're logged in and you're on your page here, so simply click on the transfer option, and then here once you get to the transfer option here, select the money transfer option so that we can send it to bank accounts. So the second option, money transfer, select that, and then here all you have to do now is simply plug in the amount that you wish to send, so the currency and the amount they wish to receive, and this will convert the amount they wish to receive and the currency. So just fill the currency details, and then make sure that it's set as delivered to bank account because we are sending to bank account. And then the payment method, how do you want to pay it? So you can use your credit or debit card details, so just select whatever that suits you, hit on continue, and then when you hit on continue here, it's going to ask you about the recipient details. So if you're sending it to your account, then you can select the first one, or if you're sending to someone's bank account, simply select the second option. All you have to do now is fill in the recipient details and their bank account details, hit on continue, and then authorize this payment and complete the transaction. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and a straightforward process. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.